Hi, I'm Daniel from ligo.co.uk and this is the Gigaset C530A Cordless phone. The C530 is one of Gigaset's more budget-friendly models, but that's not to say that it skimps on features or functionality. So let's take a closer look. Design-wise, the C530 is a relatively traditional cordless phone. However, there are a few things that make it stand out from the crowd. For one thing, it's a bit more substantial than many modern handsets, which is something I personally prefer as it makes it a little more comfortable to hold. It has a nice large 1.8-inch colour display screen with a menu system that's simple to navigate. While it may not be a big button phone, the C530's buttons are a good size and well spaced out to make the handset that little bit easier to use. Lastly, the build quality of the C530 is really impressive. While it may not be as robust as some models designed for outdoor use, like the Gigaset E630, it's still tough enough to survive being dropped a few times without getting damaged. And like all Gigaset phones, it comes with a 2-year warranty for added peace of mind. Setting up the C530A is quick and simple. Just plug the base station into the mains and your phone line and you'll be ready to make and receive calls straight away. If you're purchasing multiple handsets, you might need to pair some of these up with the base, but again this process is very simple. You just need to follow the on-screen instructions on each handset. Gigaset phones generally offer excellent sound quality and the C530 is no exception to that. We tested it with calls to both landlines and mobiles and it consistently performed well. It's roughly on a par with Gigaset's slightly more expensive S850A, which means the C530 is excellent value for money. As for range, the C530 offers up to 50 meters indoors and up to 300 meters outdoors, the same as most cordless phones. If you need any extra range, then the C530 is also repeater compatible. The C530 also includes a number of useful extra features as well. There's a digital answering machine with up to 30 minutes recording time, and this also allows you to screen your calls as well. It's compatible with caller ID, comes with a loudspeaker and alarms, and it has a 150 entry phone book as well. The battery life is up to 14 hours talk time and up to 300 hours standby, so you could leave it out of the cradle for up to a week before it would run out of power. So there we have it, the Gigaset C530A, a cordless phone that provides outstanding value for money. With great sound quality, durable build, and a host of useful features, it's unbeatable at this price point. To find out more, click the link in the description or go to ligo.co.uk.